to my YouTuber audience. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in last video, we have developed this screen, the login screen, and as I mentioned, we will need a sign up button here in case someone is new and want to go to sign up screen. So we don't have anything on this screen. So we'll start from adding the button, and then we'll see how we can navigate from this screen to another screen using navigation stack. So let's get started. I'm in the login view. Here, let me create a button with action and a label. So for now, I'm leaving the action empty, and here we'll create text, and we'll add a text. Don't have an account. Sign up here. Something like this. We'll add the font, which is system font of size maybe 12 pixel. That would be sufficient. Then we will add weight, that is medium, and foreground color will set light green, something like this. So we'll add it here, and we need some padding from top. So let's add padding from top. Let me try to run it. Yes, we have this, but as you can see, we cannot scroll throughout the bottom. It is still hidden behind this bar. So let me give some bottom padding as well. Padding bottom, and let me give it to 40 pixels. Also, I don't want to show this scrolling bar. So on the scroll bar, on the scroll view, simply type scroll indicators visibility hidden. Now run it. And this padding, it looks very too much. So I'm just removing this. And as you can see, we have given the 40 pixel to bottom. So now it is easily accessible. We don't have a count button. So we just need to add the navigation from here to the sign up screen. So to do that, first let's create a folder named sign up. Inside of it, I'll create a sign up view. But for now, I'm just using this hello world view because we are not going to implement in this video this whole view. We are just navigating from this to some another screen, which is going to be sign up screen in the future. So if we want to navigate from login view to sign up, we need to use the navigation store. So mostly if you search for navigation stack. So if you search for navigation stack on the YouTube, like how to navigate from one screen to another using the navigation stack, so mostly you will see simple examples. Like on the list, uh, they will add the navigation stack inside of it using the navigation link. So in the real life applications, we are not always using the list view, right? So we should have some uh, some, you know, we should have some way to navigate on click or on tap of some button or some view. So I'll show you how we can do this easily in the navigation stack. Navigation stack is the latest version of navigation in SwiftUI. Earlier we were using navigation link that is deprecated. So for that, let's create a navigation file here, navigation stack file. We'll name it navigation store, something like this. Yeah. So here I'll create a final class navigation store, and which is going to be observable object. I prefer this pattern of navigation. Till now I didn't find any issue with it, but if you find some issue, then you can simply let me know. We can find a solution on it. So the path will be we need to create an enum of navigation, maybe destination, which is going to be hashable. So first you can define all the cases as a like all the screens you have in your application as case. So we have the login, then sign up, and etc. You can create multiple here. So let me the A should be small one. Yeah, so the path will be of navigation destination type, and initially it would be empty. Inside of this enum, we want to create the view for all the cases we have defined here. So we can say view, which will return a view, and here we will use the switch statement of self type. On the login, we simply return the login view. On sign up, you simply can return the sign up view like this. And we don't have, okay, view builder. Okay, you need to import the SwiftUI. Now it's good. All right. So now what we gonna do is let's move to on the content view. We are starting our application from the content view, I guess. Yes. Yeah. So here, simply create a state object, which is going to be private or navigation store. We're gonna create a navigation store object here. So we'll initialize it here, and we're gonna use it as environment object on the login view. So set it here, environment object, navigation store. Also, one more thing we need to do is this is the root controller for our application, right? The login view. So whenever we are launching the application, other than the onboarding, from the next time we are landing on the login view only. So basically it is the root controller for us. So we need to add the navigation stack here, like this, navigation stack, and we're gonna use this path here. The navigation store we have and dot path. The root is nothing, the view we have created, so simply copy and paste it inside of it. So we have this, and on the changes of navigation destination, what we gonna do is navigation destination for yes. So every time we have some changes in this class, what we gonna do, we observe the path. So in path, what we will have login and sign up, all the cases that we have created here, and we also have this view. So what we gonna return, we simply call the path dot view, and on all the view we again gonna set the environment object navigation store. So it might look some little confusing to you, but this is it. So what we are doing, first when we launch the application, we have this onboarding screen, onboarding view. Once the onboarding view is done, we land on the login view screen, which is going to be our root view controller. So on the root, we need to use the navigation stack, because on navigation stack, how navigation stack works, it append everything at the last. So you can imagine it as an array of views, different views, right? So on the root controller, we have initialized it and added the navigation store as an environment object, and we also observing navigation destination changes. So if we are on the login view and we gonna change something in the path, so it will get observed here, and on all the views that we are going to navigate, we are setting the environment object, this navigation store. Here we explicitly added it on the login view because it is the root view controller, and other than that, on all the views we are setting the navigation store as the environment object. So I hope it is clear to you till now. Now let's move back to the login view. So here we need to have that environment object, private var navigation store, which is of kind of navigation store. And using this navigation store, we simply say navigation store dot path dot append on which screen we want to move on the sign up. So you can simply write sign up here, or we can make it more uh, convenient by creating a function push to view, and we can simply have this navigation destination here, and here we can say path dot append this view. So instead of calling this path dot append, we can simply say push to sign up. This looks more easy. Now let's try to run this application. So when I click on the this don't have an account sign up here, it should navigate to the this sign up screen with hello world text. Let's try. Yes, so it is navigating here. On the back, we are again on the screen. You can see how quickly and how smoothly it is working. So on the navigation stack, I would like to add one more thing. Suppose you have some data that you want to pass from login view to sign up screen. So your question might come like, how should we do this? Suppose we have, for example, we have a name that we want to pass from login to sign up screen. So it should get printed on this screen. So for the preview purpose, let me add test here, but on the navigation store, so we have an initializer here. So how we will do this? We will create it as a parameterized case, and inside of it we'll unwrap it, let name, and we will simply pass it here. But how we will pass the sign up name here from the login? So let's go to here, and on the sign up you can simply pass my name or any data that you have. You can define its type in the enum. Let me try to run it. So now it should print my name on the sign up screen instead of hello world. Let's try. Yeah, you can see my name is printed here. So this is how you can pass the data from one controller to another view, one view to another view basically. And I think this is it for this video. In the next video, we build this sign up screen. All on the toggle, we will change these images, and we already created this text field, so we don't have to create them again. We will simply reuse it. So stay tuned guys on my channel. If you have any doubt related to navigation stack or anything, you can comment out on this video. I'll add the source code on the GitHub and put it in the description of this video. So please stay tuned on my channel. Thank you.